connecting to many other major cities, so I would recommend there should be light. And this is not the first time. Many a time the accidents have happened on this place. The other day it was a cow. The other day it was some like a animal only, actually a dog or something like that. So there needs to be light on this highway. I would highly recommend the government needs to think about this.
Every
To have
day
light.
animals are sleeping here. on the
Yeah,
road.
even animals and cows and all, everybody सगळे हिंगा न्हिदोनूच आसता. ड्रायव्हराची मिस्टेक कोणाची मिस्टेक सांगपाक जायना न्हू, कितें करपाचें आतां. पण हिंगा लायट जायच पडटा, शुअर 100% जायच.
लाईट कमी आसा हिंगा.
होय, लायट चड कमी आहा. हिंगा चोय न्हू, हायवे न्हू आख्खो, कितू लायटूच ना थिंगा. Very dim, very dim, very dim. You need a light over here, 100%. Not a light, but many lights.
What's your name?
Christopher.